Hi, boys and girls. Nice to see everyone. Hey, Scrappy. Hey, Jazzy.
Amazing.
Hi, are we making a STEM?
Are we making a STEM project today?
Fun.
Wow, fun.
We love STEM.
Hands-on learning is the best. Rockets out of paper, tape, and a straw.
Tape and a straw. We can find these materials here in school and at home.
Always ask for permission.
Yes, another activity of STEM.
Amazing.
Wow, fun.
We love STEM.
Wow, so we're excited. We're going to make rockets, Jazzy.
Hands-on learning is the best. Rockets out of paper.
What are we going to use? Well, we're going to use some tape.
Tape and a straw.
I have two colors, pink and clear. You don't have to use two colors. You can use one.
We can find these materials here in school and at home.
All right, so we have tape, some construction paper. This is kind of like a thicker kind of paper, but it will work. Some scissors, and just in case I need to line something out, I have a pencil and a straw. And yes, so we're going to make rockets. Let's stay tuned. Let's find out more on Mr. Rize Kids on STEM.
Let's go.
All right, so first we're going to use the construction paper. Watch the video. It's so important to have hands-on activities. And so what better way to learn how to make things and learn through STEM? Some of you might be saying, STEM, what's STEM? And some of you should know what STEM is. Well, S in the word STEM stand for science, and
S for science, yeah.
Science is everything, including space. T for technology, like devices, from a pencil sharpener to artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence, even media communications, right? E for engineering, from stoplights to bridges to amusement parks. And mathematics easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's go! Rocket making!
I'm going to talk and cut so we don't waste much time.